In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comment in Airtable. Whether you're collaborating with a team or organizing a personal project, leaving comments on your Airtable records can be a great way to communicate and keep track of important notes. So, let's walk through this process together step by step, ensuring that by the end of this guide, you'll be comfortable leaving comments efficiently. To kick things off, you'll want to begin by opening your Airtable base. This is your workspace where all of your information is organized. Think of it as your digital notebook or spreadsheet where you manage different aspects of a project. Once you're inside your Airtable base, it's important to identify the particular record or row that you want to comment on. This record could be any specific entry that has details you wish to discuss or provide input on. Simply click on that record to get started. Upon clicking on the desired record, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This panel houses all the pertinent details for the record you've chosen, offering a comprehensive view of the information related to that entry. Within this panel, you'll find the Comments section. This is your dedicated space for interaction. Here you can share reminders, updates, or feedback directly related to the record. Once you've located the Comments section, it's time to type your message. Be clear and concise in your communication to ensure your message is easily understood by anyone else working within the base. This is also the ideal place to ask questions or provide explanations, creating a smooth line of communication among team members. As you type, consider adding any relevant context that could help others understand your perspective or the reasoning behind your comment. When you're satisfied with your message, the next step is to send it. You can do this quite easily by either pressing the Enter on your keyboard or clicking on the Send button within the comment box. This action will post your comment, allowing others to see it immediately. It's a simple but effective way to make sure your thoughts and insights are part of the ongoing dialogue around a particular record. That's really all there is to it. Responding to those comments is also a breeze. Just click on the comment thread to continue the discussion, ensuring everyone stays in the loop without having to dig through emails or other communication tools. By using Airtable's commenting function, you're helping to create an organized space for communication, promoting better collaboration and understanding within your projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has made the process of commenting in Airtable clear and accessible. Happy organizing!